cases where Bhagwan has shown miracles of his omniscience or omnipotence. I would like to probably share a few of such experiences. One day Bhagwan came for darshan, and I was sitting with one of my co-research scholars, and he came straight to Arun. I was sitting next to him, and he said, "Ni amma ko diabetes kada? Your mother has diabetes, no?" He said, "Yes, Swami, avunu Swami. I have told her many times not to take sweets, but she does not agree to what I say. When the guests come to the house, she has sweets with them. When she goes to the temple, she'll have prasadam there. When she goes with a child to buy him an ice cream, she also has an ice cream to give the child a company. So on various excuses, she's going on having sweets." Arun, nuvu pani chesei. After darshan, you go and tell her strictly that she should not have sweets anymore. And Swami just, and then Swami looked at me and suddenly he said, "You, Delhi boy?" I said, "Swami." He was sounding very strict. And I said, "Swami, what?" He said, "You also. When you were in Delhi, you were telling about going to dentist, setting the denture fine, trying for modeling. See, it's a very bad thing. Never think like this." And I was totally aghast. I said, I did not remember at all what Swami was talking about. Because I left my college 6 years back, and then I was here. I was not able to remember any such instance. Anyway, I said, "Arun, let me think about what Swami scolded me for. I have no idea, but at least you go and tell your mother strictly that she has not to take any sweets." So Arun went and came back, and I asked Arun, "What happened?" He said, "Swami yesterday came in my mother's dream and told her, 'See, you are having sweets time and again in spite of me warning you not to have. So tomorrow I will tell Arun to give you a call and scold you for not having sweets. For having sweets, that you should not have sweets.'" So I was, aghast that, Swami plays all these dramas in the three phases of our existence: the physical plane, mental plane, dream state, deep sleep stage. All these are accessible to Swami at 100% of the times because all these are included in him. He is that consciousness which pervades everything in this whole universe. So I was amazed. So in the night I was thinking about, what Swami told me about not dentures setting right and trying for modeling. And then it struck me that around 7 years back, sitting in the college canteen, it was the last day of the college, holidays were just starting. So one boy came and spoke to me, and he asked me my plans for the holidays time. I said, "I have no great plans. Maybe, I'll be mostly at my home." He said, "Boss, I've got a great offer for doing some modeling for a local magazine, and for just 1 hour of work for a week's time, they are offering you good amount of money." And then he said, "No, Deepak, no, not bad. Your face cut also is fine. Only thing is your dentures, all your teeth are twisted in all directions. If only you have a better denture, probably you can, also have an opportunity." And he said, "You see, there's a dentist just across our college campus. Why don't you just go and consult him? You can also have some pocket money to spend during vacations." So hesitatingly, I just went to the dentist and I told him about my problem. And he said, "Your teeth are not so bad. I would not recommend taking out 4 teeth, putting a denture. Anyway, denture has to be there for 2-3 months time. You anyway have missed your opportunity for doing modeling. So I think it doesn't really, you don't require any such treatment. You better, try something else to earn your pocket money." So I forgot all about for that particular instance, and I, just came back home. After 6.5 to 7 years of this happening, one day in darshan, without any thought in my mind, Swami comes and scolds me about that kind of a bad thought being in my mind 7 years back. And I was aghast. I said, "God, you know everything." Right? Similarly, one day when Bhagwan came out for darshans, and I happened to take namaskar because the results were just declared, and I was waiting with the bated breath as to, will I be able to get an O grade or not? Because in Swami's terminology, if you have an outstanding or an O grade, only then you have passed in the examination. Otherwise, you have failed. So I was sitting in the first line thinking, "Oh God, will I really pass, in O grade or not?" Swami came, stood on that time there were no railings, stood on the steps, looked at me, called me very sternly. So my heart started beating in and out of my chest. I thought, God, I have not got a O grade, I am going to get scoldings from Bhagwan. And Swami just called me and he says, results have come. I said, I was nearly about to say, sorry Swami, if I have not got O grade, please forgive me. Suddenly he burst into a smile and said, Niku O grade vachindi. And he smiled beautifully, materialized Vibhuti and gave it to me in my hands. And as I took Vibhuti and somebody gave me a paper, I kept it and took namaskar. I felt Swami's feet were burning. Swami's feet were burning with heat. He had fever. He had high fever. And when I looked towards Swami's eyes, I saw that his eyes also were red. And I got alarmed. The joy of, getting blessings from him totally vanished. And I said, Swami, you have fever. You are suffering, Swami. And Swami said, Naku emi suffering ledu. You go and sit. I have no suffering at all. You go and sit down comfortably. So, but I refused to budge. And I said, Swami, no, please tell Swami, you have taken upon yourself somebody's suffering. And then Swami said, what could I have done? This small child, 6 months old, he has a hole in the heart from his very birth. And every day he is moving towards death. But no hospital in the country has accepted his case because it's a very complicated surgery on a 6 months old child. Then he said the doctors came and they requested me that, Swami, can we take this particular case? And I said yes. And the operation was performed by a team of 6 doctors who worked together for 6 hours on the 6-month-old child. And then Swami burst into a beautiful smile with great satisfaction on his face and said, I am very happy. The child is well now and the mother is very happy. And I looked at Bhagwan's face with a gaping mouth and said, God, this is love. This is love.
गणानान्त्वा घनपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनं प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्रयवतो गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः गणानान्त्वा गणानान्त्वा गणपतिं त्वा गणानान्त्वा गणपतिं त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे गणपतिं त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे गणपतिगुं हवामहे गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कविगुं हवामहे गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं गणपतिमिति घनापतिं हवामहे कविं कविगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनां कविगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तममुपमश्रवस्तम कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तममुपमश्रवस्तमं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् उपमश्रवस्तममित्युपमश्रवः तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणां ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणः ज्येष्ठराजमिति ज्येष्ठा राजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पते पते ब्रह्मणस्पते पते ब्रह्मणस्पत आपते ब्रह्मणस्पत आपते पत आनो न आपते पत आनः आनो न आनः शृण्वन् आनः न शृण्वन्नो न शृण्वन्नोतिभिः शृण्वन्नो न शृण्वन्नोतिभिः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदोतिभिः शृण्वन् नोतिभिः सीद ऊतिभिः सीदोतिभिः सीद साधनगुं सीदोतिभिः सीद साधनम् ऊतिभिरित्यूतिभिः सीद साधनगुं सीद साधनम् साधनमिति साधनम् प्रणो न प्रप्रणो देवी न प्रप्रणो देवी नो देवी नो देवी सरस्वती देवी नो देवी सरस्वती देवी सरस्वती देवी सरस्वती बाजेभिर् सरस्वती देवी सरस्वती बाजेभिः सरस्वती बाजेभिर् सरस्वती बाजिरीवती बाजेभिर् सरस्वती बाजिरीवती भाजिनीवती भाजिनीवतीति भाजिनी गति धीनामवित्रय धीनामवित्रयवत्ववित्रय धीनामवित्रयवतो अवद्वित्रयवत्ववित्रयवतो अवद्वित्यवतो ॐ शान्ति शान्तिः निडनपतये नमः निडनपतान्तिकाय नमः ऊट्वाय नमः ऊट्वलिङ्गाय नमः हिरण्याय नमः हिरण्यलिङ्गाय नमः सुवर्णाय नमः सुवर्णलिङ्गाय नमः दिव्याय नमः दिव्यलिङ्गाय नमः भवाय नमः भवलिङ्गाय नमः सर्वाय नमः सर्वलिङ्गाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवलिङ्गाय नमः ज्वलाय नमः ज्वललिङ्गाय नमः आत्माय नमः आत्मलिङ्गाय नमः परमाय नमः परमलिङ्गाय नमः एतत् सोमस्य सूर्यस्य सर्वलिङ्गस्थापयति पाणिमन्त्रं पवित्रं सत्यो जातं प्रबध्नामि सत्यो जाताय वै नमो नमः भवे भवेनाति भवे भवस्व मां भवोद्भवाय नमः वामदेवाय नमो ज्येष्ठाय नमः श्रेष्ठाय नमो रुद्राय नमः कालाय नमः कलविकरणाय नमो बलविकरणाय नमो बलाय नमो बलप्रमतनाय नमः सर्वभूतदमनाय नमो मनोर्बनाय नमः अघोरेभ्यो तघोरेभ्यो घोरघोरतरेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यो नमस्ते अस्तु रुद्ररूपेभ्यः तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्रः प्रचोदयात् ईशानः सर्वविद्यानाम् ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानां ब्रह्माधिपतिर्ब्रह्मणोऽधिपति ब्रह्मा शिवो मे अस्तु सदा शिवो नमो हिरण्यबाहवे हिरण्यवर्णाय हिरण्यरूपाय हिरण्यपते अम्बिकापते उमापतये पशुपतये नमो नमः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः जातवेदसे सुनवामसो वमराति यतो नितहाति वेदः सनपसदति दुर्गाणि विश्वा नामेव सिन्धुं दुरिताद्यग्निः तामग्निवर्णां तपसा ज्वलन्तीं वैरोचनीं कर्मफलेषु जुस्तां दुर्गां देवीं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये सुतरसितरसे नमः अग्ने त्वं पारयानव्यो अस्मान् स्वस्तिभिरति दुर्गाणि विश्वा पुश्च पृथ्वी बहुलान उर्वी भवातोकायतनयाय संयोः विश्वानि नो दुर्गः जातवेदसिन्धुन्ननावादुरितातिपर्षि अग्ने अत्रिवन्मनसा गृह्णानो स्माकं बोध्यवितातनूनां पृतनाचितगुं सहमानमुग्रमग्निगुं हुवेम परमासदस्तात् सनपसदति दुर्गाणि विश्वा क्षामद्देवो अतिदुरिताध्यग्निः प्रत्नोषि कमित्यो अध्वरेषु सना च होता नव्यश्च सत्सि स्वाञ्चाग्ने तनुवं पिप्रयस्मास्मभ्यं च सौभगमायजस्व गोभिर्जुष्टमयुजोनिषिक्तं तवेन्द्रविष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम नाकस्य पृष्ठमभिसंवसानो वैष्णवे लोक इह माडयन्ताम् कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारी धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गी प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः दाता पुरस्ताद्यमुडा जहारा शक्रप्रविद्वान् प्रदिशश्च तस्रः तमेवं विद्वा नमृत इह भवति नान्यपन्थायनाय विद्यते सहस्रशीर्षं देवं विश्वाक्षं विश्वशम्भुवं विश्वं नारायणं देवमक्षरं परमं पदं विश्वतः परमान्नित्यं विश्वं नारायणगुं हरिं विश्वमेवेदं पुरुषस्तद्विश्वमुपजीवति पतिं विश्वस्यात्मेश्वरगुं शाश्वतगुं शिवमच्युतं नारायणं महाज्ञेयं विश्वात्मानं परायणं नारायणपरो ज्योतिरात्मा नारायणः परः नारायणपरब्रह्मतत्त्वं नारायणः परः नारायणपरो ध्याता ज्ञानं नारायणः परः यच्च किञ्चित् जगत् सर्वं दृश्यते श्रूयतेऽपि वा अन्तर्बहिश्च तत्सर्वं व्याप्य नारायणस्थितः अनन्तमव्ययं कविगुं समुद्रे तं विश्वशम्भुवं पद्मकोशप्रदीकासगुं हृदयं चाप्यधोमुखम् अतो निष्ठा विदस्यान्ते नाप्यामुपरि तिष्ठति ज्वालमालाकुलं भाति विश्वस्यायतनं महत् सन्ततगुं शिलाभिष्टु लम्बत्याकोशसन्निभम् तस्यान्ते सुशिरगुं सूक्ष्मं तस्मिन् सर्वं प्रतिष्ठितं तस्य मध्ये महा अग्निर्विश्वाचिर्विश्वतो मुखः सोऽग्रपुग्विभजन् तिष्ठन् नाहारमजरः कविः धीर्यगोर्वामदः सायि रश्मयस्तस्य सन्तता सन्तापयति स्वं देहमापातलमस्तकः तस्य मध्ये वर्णिशिखा अनीयोद्गा व्यवस्थितः नीलतो यडमध्यस्थ विद्युल्लेखे भभास्वरा नीवारशोकवत्तन्वी पीताभास्वत्यनुपमा तस्या शिखाया मध्ये परमात्मा व्यवस्थितः स ब्रह्मः स शिवः स हरिस्सेन्द्रः सोऽक्षरः परमस्वरात् हृदगुं सत्यं परब्रह्म पुरुषं कृष्णपिङ्गलम् ऊर्ध्वरेतं विरूपाक्षं विश्वरूपाय वै नमो नमः नारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णु प्रचोदयात् स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण मयैर्महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
मन मंदिर में आवो साई, मन मंदिर में आवो साई, साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ, साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ, साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ, साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ, मन मंदिर में आवो साई, साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ, साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ, साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ, मन मंदिर में आवो साई,
राजराजेश्वरी जगन्मोहिनी, राजराजेश्वरी गोविन्द कृष्ण मुरारे सत्य साई मुकुंद मुरारी सत्य साई मुकुंद मुरारी राधे गोविंद कृष्ण मुरारी सत्य साई मुकुंद मुरारी सत्य साई मुकुंद मुरारी सत्य साई मुकुंद मुरारी राधे गोविंद कृष्ण मुरारी
भस्मभूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा भस्मभूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा कालनेत्र शूलधारी साई शंकरा शूलधारी साई शंकरा भस्मभूषितांग साई शंकरा सामगान प्रियकरा साई शंकरा सामगान प्रियकरा साई शंकरा साई चंद्रशेखरा बालनेत्र शूलधारी साई शंकरा कृष्णरूषिकांत साई चंद्रशेखरा सामगान प्रियकरा साई शंकरा हर 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 शिव शंभो नटल शेखरा प्रतिवास साई देव साई शंकरा साई शंकरा साई शंकरा साई शंकरा साई शंकरा
अल्लाह भजो मौला भजो हे अल्लाह साई भगवान अल्लाह भजो
साई नमो, जय शुभदाई नमो। जय जय साई नमो, जय शुभदाई नमो। जय गोविंद जय गोपाल जय महादेव नमो। जय गोविंद जय गोपाल जय महादेव नमो। जय जय साई नमो, जय शुभदाई नमो। अभयप्रदाता विश्वविधाता, अभयप्रदाता विश्वविधाता, जगदोद्धार नमो। जगदोद्धार नमो। जय शिवदीशा जय पतीशा जय परमेश नमो। जय शिवदीशा जय पतीशा जय परमेश नमो। जय जय साई नमो, जय शुभदाई नमो। जय गोविंद जय गोपाल जय महादेव नमो। जय जय साई नमो, जय शुभदाई नमो। अभयप्रदाता विश्वविधाता, जगदोद्धार नमो। जय शिवदीशा जय पतीशा जय परमेश नमो। जय शिवदीशा जय पतीशा जय परमेश नमो। जय जय साई नमो, जय शुभदाई नमो। साईनाथ भगवान, साईनाथ भगवान, साईनाथ भगवान, साईनाथ भगवान, साईनाथ भगवान,
भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं, हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं, हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं, हरि नाम बिना आनंद 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 नहीं, हरि भजन बिना शांति नहीं, हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं, जप ध्यान बिना संयोग नहीं, जप ध्यान बिना संयोग नहीं, प्रभु दर्श बिना प्रज्ञान नहीं, दय धर्म बिना सत्कर्म नहीं, भगवान बिना कोई अपना नहीं, हरि नाम बिना परमात्मा नहीं, हरि नाम बिना परमात्मा नहीं, हरि भजन बिना शांति नहीं, हरि भजन बिना शांति नहीं, हरि नाम बिना आनंद नहीं, हरि भजन बिना, हरि भजन बिना, हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं।
शांति शांति शांति, भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। शांति शांति शांति, साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। शांति शांति शांति।
Om Sai Ram, Bhagavan's counsel for today. What man should seek today is not pleasure, nor is his goal sorrow. Wherefrom does pleasure come? When pain is got rid of, pleasure is secured. Man should bring under his control the source of pleasure and pain. More than pleasure, it is pain that awakens wisdom in man. If you study the lives of great men, you find that it is out of trouble and pain that they derived wisdom. Without sorrow, there can be no wisdom. It is pain that teaches many wise lessons to man. Not realizing this profound truth, man pursues pleasure endlessly. No doubt man needs to be happy, but how is happiness to be achieved? It is only when sorrow is overcome man realizes happiness. Hence, everyone should welcome sorrow in the same spirit which they greet happiness. Every man has his origin in truth. He is sustained by truth and merges in truth. He is the embodiment of truth. When every individual recognizes this truth, the whole world will be permitted by truth. Jai Sai Ram. Now we shall offer Mangalarati to Bhagavan.
Om Jai Jagadish Hare Swami Satya Sai Hare Bhakta Jana Samrakshak Bhakta Jana Samrakshak Pati Maheshwara Om Jai Jagadish Hare Shashivadana Srikara Sarva Pranapati Swami Sarva Pranapati Asrita Kalpalatika Asrita Kalpalatika Avatardava Om Jai Jagadish Hare Mata Pita Guru Deva Mariyandayu Swami Mariyandayu